Facebook has made a pretty big update to the way that you can create videos and the way that people consume videos. And it's this: all videos will be posted as Facebook Reels. And if we go to this page here, it's saying that in the coming months, these formats will merge. So think about long video content and short video content. This is going to merge so that all videos, short and long, will become Reels globally. So this is a pretty big change. And it doesn't necessarily mean that all videos on Facebook are now going to be vertical. But I think that's where this is heading. And we'll talk about some implications later, because Facebook is still a very strong platform when it comes to video. So before looking at the settings to use for this, and also the implications, let's just have a look at a video that I made when this announcement first came about. So what I decided to do was to take a long form video and format it into vertical. So this is a vertical video that's 11 minutes long. And we've seen this trend with Instagram, where it started as a minute and then it went to 3 minutes. YouTube Shorts are now 3 minutes as well. And I think what a lot of platforms are doing are trying to keep up to date with the way that users want to engage with video, which is on their phone and scrolling. Now, I prefer to upload my videos using the Meta Business Suite. And you can see in here, it also says all videos that you post on Facebook are now Reels. We'll look at what this looks like if it's a horizontal video, but this is going to maybe change the way that you post, because in the past, what you could do was post to both Facebook and Instagram here. The reel gets uploaded and it goes to both platforms. And then you could customize the post for Facebook and Instagram here, where you can add a title on your Facebook videos. But now, let's say you make a 10-minute video, you can only upload that to Facebook, from my knowledge, unless Instagram also introduced this as well. And I know a lot of people get confused when it comes to posting on Facebook, on Instagram, how it's connected, how people find these reels. But what I would do at the moment, if you want to create a longer form vertical video for Facebook, is to post it to Facebook only here. And then you can either share it now or schedule it for later. But what we also need to look at is this, which is what Facebook said about exploring videos from the user. And what I find here is interesting, because if you caught that quick GIF, what happens if it's a longer video? You can go full screen like that and tilt your phone. The issue is, I think, when it comes to Reels and Shorts and vertical videos, people don't want to tilt their screen to watch something. So I think what Facebook are trying to do is to say, we can't compete with YouTube for that long form horizontal video format. They tried to in the past. In fact, I remember 12, 13 years ago when you could embed YouTube videos into the Facebook feed and they would play automatically in that feed. And then Facebook made a big video play and they tried to create this video feature on Facebook along with Instagram Live when that came out. But now it seems that they're going for these Reels. But I don't think long-form content on Facebook works as well as other platforms, because people don't go on Facebook to go for a long podcast or to watch a long video. Instead, they go to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube to watch long-form content. And just the nature of it as well. If you're on here, you can see this here. You go to the Reels tab, click on a reel, you're watching a video, and then the next one, scroll. It's set up for scrolling and going to the next one. So going back to this, where I posted a long video, it did exactly the same as other reels. It's only one test, but there's a lot of effort that went into this to creating this long form content. If you can easily adapt to long form content wide and make it vertical, let's say inside something like Descript, then that could be worth testing out. However, it still seems to me like Facebook and Instagram are made for those 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute reels where you can hook them in and then keep them engaged throughout that time. But let me know your thoughts if you're going to use this. I still use Facebook as a way to market myself, and I use other things like channels in order to go deep into the engagement and to get people to go through to my podcast, to go to my website, etc. And if you want to learn more about video editing, then watch the video I have in the description and it'll be on your screen as well. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.